Hello guys, we'll learn how to rename your database. In this case, we need to ensure that we have whole database backup. We commonly use RMAN, incremental backup, or the whole database backup database command, or with including arclogs. We have to ensure the RMAN full backup, complete backup with arclogs. We have backup. And second thing, we have to ensure that we are using SYSDBA privilege. Normally we use sysuser. With SysDBA privilege, DBA role, we can rename. We have to ensure that we are logging with this user, and from $B database, collect your DBID, the current DBID, and name of your database from $B database. We need a downtime. You have to ensure you need to bring down your instance down immediate. Sure. So rename here, we are using NID, new ID. So new ID is a utility to rename the database. So these steps we need to perform initially to rename the database. And to rename this database after shutdown, we need to keep in mount mode. In mount mode, we need to rename. Main command here we are using is NID, new ID. NID is the full name is new ID. We need to mount and rename the database. We'll perform the steps same. Let's see what's the database name here, where we can find out from Ortho home DBS folder file specify. But I have eprod prod, but the database name is eprod actually, which we are going to rename now. We'll rename with some other name where we can convert eprod to what the database name we can use sprod. From eprod to sprod we are going to rename here. You can have your names, choose your names for renaming as per your environment. So the instance is already down, and to verify your DB name, let's connect your database and verify the DBID and database name from $V database. Once started, verifying the DBID, name from $V database. So your DBID and your database name is eprod. So now we'll shut down your database. DB got shut down, and we need to keep in mount state. Startup. Database got mounted. Now we'll use NID to target database name. We need to enter the password target database. So target database name will be changed to SPROT from E. So this is your target. We're connecting to your current database and target database name, which is SPROT, which we are going to change to from eProd. We are using NID command utility here. Execute. So it's asking for change the database ID and database name from eProd to SPROT. And you want to confirm yes or no? Yes. So I have entered yes. Changing the database name. All the control files are getting changed, modified. The DBID name got changed. Got changed. The database name. The control file is getting updated. Finally, it was successfully completed without any error. But database has been shut down. We are in mount mode. Database got shut down now. And the database ID has been changed. Before changing, we have corrected the DBID. This is your DBID. And now is the latest DBID of your SPROT database. But we need to open the database with reset logs. Clearly it mentions that we need to open with reset log. So we'll open with the reset log. The database got shut down while renaming. We need to no mount. First we'll no mount the database startup. Plus we need to rename the SP file as well as to rename the database name in SP file. For that, alter system set db_name equal to SPROT scope equal to. Then we'll shut down the database. So when the name in the SP file got changed, but the file content was changed, the file name was not changed. So manually the changing, which is located in Oracle Home DBS. So we copy SP file, eProd SP file, SPROT. So from eProd, the new database name, the target database name is SPROT. We have changed. So we are renaming the file, but we are keeping a copy of the same. We are using CP command. Copy the file. Once copied, we can connect the database. Startup mount. So in mount state, we'll open with reset logs. Alter database. Then reset, the incarnation number will be changed. New formation will be created with the new database. Got altered successfully. We need to register the listener. Alter system register. Verify your database name. Select name and mode from $3 database. $3 database was eProd. Now the change to SPROT. Finally, we have changed the database name successfully in the mount state with using an ID. DBNEWID you create for us. DBNEWID. Database is in read-write mode now. You can make use of this. And we can also change the password file in OS level authentication. Same DBS file, DBS folder. Have the password file for our PW. This password file we can recreate again aura pwd file equal to aura pw sprout. The password you can enter to the password. You're entering with sys123 this password. Password file got created. So this is an encrypted file. The aura pw sprout is an encrypted file which contains the password sys123. Password file got created now. You can verify. File exists. So with this we have completed successfully renaming your database. Still want to rename, you can also change in the aura tab file. Aura tab file will contain your database name, previous database name. You can add an entry and we can rename this database name. From the root user you need to edit. The root we need to edit this file and see that even how to edit. Root. Change to sprout now. Saving the file. File stored with database name, the new target database name sprout. So 3 locations. One is aura tab file you need to change. The other one is Oracle home DBS the SP file and also password file. So these 3 files we need to ensure the name was also changed not only in the database. Okay guys.